Welcome to Homework Lib.
To calculate the 95% confidence interval for the mean repair time, which is mu, we use the formula: the confidence interval is equal to the sample mean plus or minus the margin of error. And the margin of error is the critical z times the standard deviation over the square root of the sample size. So the mean can be calculated using the 12 values. You add them up, divide by 12. And the mean is 218.08. It doesn't say what to round to. I'm just going to go 2 decimal places. And the standard deviation, I'm just going to have a calculation, and we'll use that as approximation for the population standard deviation, but the standard deviation of the list is 45.985. Okay, the critical z for 95% is 1.96, so the margin of error will be 1.96 times 45.985 over the square root of the sample size, which is 12. And so 1.96 times 45.985 over the square root of 12 is 26.02. So the confidence interval will be 218.08 plus or minus 26.02. So the lower boundary will be found by subtracting, and 218.08 minus 26.02 is 192.06. The upper boundary is found by adding, and that is 244.10. For part B, to find the least number of repair times needed to reduce the width, we'll use rearranging the margin of error formula. We get z, the critical z times the standard deviation over the margin of error squared. So with substitutions, we've got 1.96 times 50 over 30 squared. And we'll round up to the nearest person. Let's get this calculation in. To 11.